In my last video, I explained section of a sphere by a plane is a circle. I consider some more examples on that topic. And one important thing is, what is great circle? Great circle. Great circle means, you know that section of a sphere by a plane is a circle. That means if a plane intersects a sphere, then the point of intersection of the plane and the sphere is a circle. Suppose the plane cuts the sphere through this center of the sphere. This is the sphere, and the plane intersects the sphere through the center of the sphere. Then what happens? Then this circle will be, this circle has center and radius same as that of the sphere. Center of the sphere is same as, center of the circle is same as sphere. Radius of that resulting circle is also same as radius of the sphere. And that circle is called great circle. So how to define great circle? If a plane intersects the sphere through the center of the sphere, then the area common to the sphere and the plane is a circle, and that circle is called great circle. And center and radius of the great circle are same as that of the given sphere. Now see the problems. Show that the equation of the sphere having its center on the plane 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 5. Show that the equation of the sphere having its center on the plane 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 5, and passing through the circle, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 is equal to 0. Take this as 1. And x square plus y square plus z square, y square plus z square plus 4x plus 5y, minus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0 is x square plus y square plus z square plus 7x plus 9y minus 11z minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the problem? Show that equation of the circle, show that equation of the sphere passing through the, having its center on the plane, show that equation of the sphere having its center on the plane passing through this circle is this one. Answer is given here. Now one more important thing is, since the intersection of the sphere and a plane is a circle, the equation of the sphere and the plane taken together always represent a circle. Sphere and plane taken together represent a circle. Now intersection of two spheres is also a circle. Intersection of two spheres is also a circle. Now how do you find the equation of the circle passing through the what is the equation of the circle? Sphere and plane taken together represent a circle. Intersection of two spheres is also a circle. But in this case, we find out the plane of intersection of these two. Plane of intersection of these two, and we take equation of the circle as one of the sphere plus that plane. That also represent a circle that passes through the given circle, this circle. Therefore, we find out the plane first. 1 minus 2 gives, or I take 2 minus 1 gives, 2 minus 1, 6x, 8y, minus 10z, minus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? 6x, 8y, minus 10z, minus 6 is 0. Or 3x plus 4y, minus 5z, minus 3 is equal to 0. Take this as 3. Therefore, equation of this required circle is, what do you have to find out? We have to find out equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere passing to the circle. This to circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y 4z plus a plus k times 3x plus 4y minus 5z minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Let me verify. 8 plus k 3x plus 4y minus 5z minus 3. Yes. Now this is the required sphere. How to find out k? To find k, center of this sphere lies on the plane. Correct? What is given? Equation of the having its center on the plane. Yes. Center of this sphere lies on the plane. Here, how to find out center of this? We know the formula for center. Minus u minus v minus w. Therefore, I write this as 2u is coefficient of x. For this coefficient of x, you have to take common. X common. It is minus 2 plus 3k. And 2v is minus 3 plus 4k. And 2w is 4 minus 5k. 4z minus 5kz. 4 minus 5k. Therefore, center of this is, center of 4 is minus u is 1 minus 3k by 2 minus u, 1 minus 3k by 2 minus v 3 by 2 minus 2k, 3 by 2 minus 2k minus w is minus 2 plus 5k by 2. Correct? Minus 2 plus 5k by 2. This is the coordinates of the center of the sphere. What is that? Minus 1 plus 3 by 2k minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3 by 2k, 3 by 2 minus 2k minus 2 plus 5k by 2. What is this? This is the coordinates of center of the sphere, and it lies on this plane. It lies on this plane. Therefore, 4 into 1 minus 3k by 2 minus 5 into 3 by 2 minus 2k minus 2 plus 5k by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, 4 minus 6k, is it 4? Yes, 4 minus 6k minus 15 by 2 plus 10k plus 2 minus 5k by 2 is equal to 5. You have to find out k from this and substitute in equation 4. You will get this sphere. How to find out k? Minus 6 plus 10. 4 minus therefore 3k by 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 6, therefore minus 1 plus 15 by 2. Correct? Minus 1 plus 15 by 2. Verify this. What is the value of k? No, we have to verify this. 4 minus 6k minus 15 by 2 plus 10k plus 2 minus 5k by 2 is 5. Minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 is 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. 3k by 2 is 4 plus 2 6. 6 therefore minus 1 plus 15 by 2. We get 13 by 2 here. Is it correct? Well, I think I have to verify this. 4 into 1 minus 3k by 2 minus 5 into 3 by 2 minus 2k minus of minus 2 plus 5k by 2 is equal to 3, not 5 it is. See the equation of this plane. Equation of the plane is, it should be 4x minus 5y minus z, 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 3. You make this correction. In the problem I have taken 5, but it should be 3. If it is 3, then what happens? 3 it is. Therefore it is, what is this? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 3. Therefore 9 by 2. Correct? 9 by 2. What is k? K is 3. So there is a small correction in the problem. You make that as 3. Otherwise also we will get the answer, but actual problem is equal to 3, equation of the given plane. Now therefore value of k is 3. Substitute k is equal to 3 in 4. You will get 4. What is that? Sorry, 3. K is equal to 3 in 4. What do you get? X square plus y square plus z square plus 7x, 9 minus 2, 12 minus 3 plus 9y, 4 minus 15 minus 11z, correct? Minus 11z, 7x, 9y minus 11z, constant term 8 minus 9 minus 1 is 0. This is the problem. To follow the solution, what is the problem? Find the equation of the, or prove that equation of the sphere having its center on the plane 4x minus 5y minus z is equal to 3. You make that is equal to 3. And passing through the circle of intersection of the two spheres, that is this. What is the procedure? How I have solved this one? First I have taken plane of intersection of the two spheres by subtracting one from the another. Then equation of the circle or a sphere is 1 of the equation of the sphere plus k times the plane that represent a sphere. And how we have obtained k? We have obtained k by using center of that sphere lies on the plane. We have obtained coordinates of the center of the sphere and substituted in the equation of the plane, that given plane. We have obtained k3. Substituting, we have obtained equation of the sphere. Next problem is, prove that the plane x plus 2y minus z, prove that the plane x plus 2y minus z is equal to 4 cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Prove that this plane cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 is equal to 0 in a circle of radius unity. In a circle of radius unity. And find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of the great circle. Also find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of the great circle. Problem important. I have solved problems of this type, but this problem is asked in different way, that's all. It is asked in different way. Earlier I have solved problems like this. Find the equation, find the center and radius of the circle. How the circle was represented? Circle was represented by sphere and plane. You know that sphere and the plane taken together represent a circle, because intersection of a sphere by a plane is a circle. Now in this problem it is asked in different way. Prove that the plane cuts the sphere in a circle of radius unity. First part. That means the intersection of these two is a circle, that all of you know. Find the radius of that circle that is unity 1. Second part, find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of the great circle. Find the equation of the sphere next which has this circle for one of the great circle. First part, I take this as 1, this as 2, this as 2. Equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is this together represent a circle. We want to find out the center and radius. Radius we have to find out. For that you require center also. Center of the sphere is, first we find out center of the sphere. Center of the sphere is 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, correct? Minus u, v0, minus w, minus half. And the radius of the sphere is, radius of the sphere is square root of u square, v square, w square, minus d. So square root of 2 plus half, is it 5 by 2? 1 by 2 plus 2, yes, 5 by 2 it is. Now A be the center of the circle. We have to find out radius of the circle. First we find out center of the circle. Center of the circle. Then what do you see? Center of the circle. Radius we have to find out. Let us take center of the circle here. So the problem is like this. This is center of the sphere. What is that? 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2. From this, the foot of the perpendicular we have to find out. That is center of the C. This is A and this is P. And we have to find out radius. This is the radius of the circle. AP we have to find out and we have to prove that it is 1. It is 1. For that, center of the circle is also required. Center of the circle. Then equation of CA. How to find out center? Equation of CA are passing through half 0 minus half and direction ratios, normals. Direction ratios of the normal to the plane are 1 to minus 1. Correct? 1 to minus 1. So direction ratios of the normal to the plane, that means CA. CA are 1 to minus 1. Therefore, equation of this CA are x minus half divided by 1 is y minus 0 by 2 is z plus half divided by minus 1. Suppose it is r. First I find out center of the circle. Therefore, x is equal to r plus half, y is equal to 2r, z is equal to minus r, minus half. So, r plus half, 2r, minus r, minus half is center of the circle. And how do you find out that one? How do you find out that? To find that, it lies on 1. It lies on the plane. Therefore, r plus half plus 2 into 2r plus r plus half is equal to 4. Therefore, r is, find out r from this. What is that? R is therefore 5r 2 plus 1 plus 6r is equal to 6r is equal to minus just a minute. What is 6r? 1 3 r is equal to half. Therefore, what is the center of this circle? Center of the circle is r is half, so we get 1 and r is half, minus 1 minus 1, that is center of the circle. Therefore, radius of the circle is it is square root of radius of the sphere square. What is radius of the sphere? Radius of the sphere square is 5 by 2 minus this perpendicular we have to find out. What is the perpendicular? CA we have to find out. What is A? A is 1 minus 1. A is 1 minus 1, and this is CA is square root of 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 plus half square. This is CA. Now CA means perpendicular distance center from the plane. Therefore, that is radius of the circle, CA. Calculate this. What is this? 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. Half plus 1, 3 by 2 it is. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. What is this? Radius of the circle. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 1. Is it 1? Yes, 1. Therefore, first part, radius of the circle is 1. Say I go to the problem again. Prove that the plane x plus 2y minus z is equal to 4 cuts the sphere in a circle of radius unity. Our problem is same as find the radius of the circle. X square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 is 0. X plus 2y minus z is equal to 4. Problem was same as find the radius of the circle, where circle is given by sphere and the plane. Procedure was same. What we have done here? We have obtained center of the sphere. That is the procedure. Remember this. Center of the sphere, radius of the sphere, and center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Foot of the perpendicular from this center of the sphere to the plane. How that we have obtained? We have obtained equation of CA first. Perpendicular from C to plane. That is obtained by using equation of the normal to the plane. What are the direction cosines of the normal? 1, 2, minus 1. Normal to the plane. It passes through half, 0, minus half. Using that, we have obtained equation of CA. Taken arbitrary point on CA. And finally, we have taken this point lies on the plane. Therefore, we have obtained value of R. Substituting R here, we have obtained center of the circle. And CA we have obtained. How we have obtained CA? Distance formula, 3 by 2. Now, therefore, radius of the circle. This circle is CP square, that is radius of the sphere square, minus CA square. That is, CA is 3 by 2. CA square. Correct? CA is root 3 by 2 here. Is it correct? Root 3 by 2. Therefore, CA square is 3 by 2. Therefore, radius of this circle is 1. Now come to the second part. What is the second part? Second part is find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of the great circle. Now equation of the sphere is, equation of the sphere means sphere through the circle, given circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6 plus z minus 2 plus k times x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. I take this as 3. What is the second part? Find the equation of the sphere having this circle as great circle. Great circle. I explained what is the meaning of great circle. When do you say that circle is great circle? Intersection of sphere and a plane is a circle, but if the plane passes through the center of the sphere, then that circle is called great circle, because that radius and center of that circle are same as that of the sphere. Now this is the circle, this is the sphere passing through that circle. Now what is the equation of the sphere having that circle as great circle? For that, what is center of, we have to find out. Center of 3 is, how to find out center? 2u is minus 1 plus k, 2v is 0 plus 2k, and 2w is 1 minus k. Center is therefore 1 by 2 minus k by 2 and minus k and minus 1 by 2 plus k by 2. This is center of 3. It lies on x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. Then we will get this as great circle. We are finding equation of the sphere having this circle as great circle. For that you see this correction here. Equation of the plane was x plus 2y minus z, minus 4 is 0. Minus 4 is there. And therefore, when do you get that sphere as, the sphere having that circle as great circle? If the center of the sphere lies on the plane, what is the plane? Equal to 4 here. Equal to 4. That is the equation of the plane. Substitute now these coordinates of the center of the sphere in the equation of the plane. We get 1 by 2 minus k by 2 plus 2 into minus k minus of minus 1 by 2 plus k by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, simplify here. What do you get? Minus k by 2 is minus k minus 3k is equal to 3. K is minus 1. Correct? K is minus 1. Put k is minus 1 in 3. In 3. What do you get? X square plus y square.